Facts and characters of the play Henry V by William Shakespeare. Full title: The Life of Henry V. It is a history play and it was written around 1598 to 1599 and first performed in 1599. Its source is Holinshed's Chronicles and it is preceded by Henry IV Part 2 and it is a part of second tetralogy and its setting is in England and France. Its historical period early 15th century. Dramatic features. Chorus appears at the start of each act, mix of history, patriotism and epic tone, some French dialogue. Focus on leadership and nationhood. Major themes: ideal kingship and leadership, patriotism and nationalism, war and morality, unity and order, honor and duty, divine right of kings. Characters. English characters: King Henry V, son of Henry IV, former Prince Hall, ideal warrior king, brave, wise, inspiring leader. The chorus. Narrator guides the audience through events, apologize for stage limitations. Duke of Exeter, uncle to Henry V, loyal and noble supporter. Duke of Bedford, brother of Henry V. Duke of Gloucester, brother of Henry V. Archbishop of Canterbury, supports war with France. Gives legal justification. Bishop of Ely, ally of Canterbury. English soldiers. Pistol, bragging soldier. Former companion of Falstaff, named cynical soldier. Bardell, former follower of Falstaff, executed for theft. Fluel, Welsh captain, disciplined comic. Gower, English captain. Jamie, Scottish captain. MacMorris, Irish captain. Boy, former page of Falstaff. French characters. King Charles VI of France, weak French king, the Dauphin. Arrogant French prince insults Henry with tennis balls. Duke of Burgundy, wise French noble. Duke of Orleans, French commander. Duke of Bourbon, French noble. Constable of France, military leader. Governor of her failure. Female characters: Princess Catherine of France, daughter of King Charles, marries Henry V. Queen Isabel of France, wife of King Charles. Alice, Catherine's lady in waiting. Important events: Henry claims French throne, tennis balls insult, English invasion of France, siege of Harfleur, battle of Agincourt, English victory against odds, execution of traitors, marriage treaty, Henry marries Catherine. Famous speeches: Once more unto the breach, Saint Crispin's Day speech, Band of Brothers. Importance of the play: presents Henry V as ideal king, celebrates English nationalism, completes Prince Hall's transformation, blends epic history with drama. One of Shakespeare's most patriotic plays. Thanks for watching.